We have Sally and a bunch of other cool cars out here tonight. So hopefully I could jump onto some tandems today because I feel like I'm ready to progress. So hopefully I'm just going to jump behind people and go, peace, let me in. But yeah, I'm really excited. I also bought some 265s tonight, so I'm excited to move up from a 235 to a 265. It's nice, isn't it? Here's the current setup, red S14, Sally Valley, another S14, a 33, bunch of other awesome cars. People still rocking up. Back at it again with the claws. This one's got a nozzle. Ready? Let's see. Roll golly. Oh my gosh, it got on my... I've been chewing my fingers because I was nervous, and it got in my fingers. Driver's briefing at 5:30. The pit rats on rat duty. It's empty. Strawberry. Oh my gosh. This one is so... Oh. If you guys have Yeti 5, definitely strawberry scent till I die. So for sure.
I'm a YouTube sensation.
Good to see you.
Instagram.
Good to see you, Grant. Yes. Getting over to the driver's briefing. Ah, they got the door. Maybe I should have painted the 180 black and white. For our convenience as well, they do have the cafe open tonight, so we're going to stop ahead and get some food. Chippies, they look like they got chicken salt on them. And then the cafe, pause to read. One of the pit rats was like, is your wheels done up? I'm like, yeah, they're fine. He's like, are you sure? And I was like, yeah. So he said, we're going to check them. Let's see, are they tight? Yep. Good enough. Oopsies. In my defense, it was late last night. I was getting in by Mozzie, so I must have forgot. Check out the neons. That looks so awesome. I should get some for Sally.
There's nothing like the sound of straight cut. Killer. Matching
get changed and we go to the toilet. We'll come back and go out again.
So we'll have a race.
Look at this. It's like a burnout car. They brought it out drifting. Wait. That was so awesome. Oh my gosh. I want to see him drift it, but I gotta go pick up my tires, so I don't know if I will. Look at how good these Nismos look on Sally. They're so deep dish without the spaces. They look so good. Because they're so much more grippy and I didn't give it enough of a clutch kick, so it was really hard to get the drift started. But on the second lap I did, but unfortunately like halfway through the lap it just started missing. I thought it was a spark plug at first, but I think it was engine protection. Yeah, and I just turned the car on and off and it's fine now, so maybe it was like some like fuel surge or something like that. Yeah, nonetheless, it's fine now. I'm gonna go out, we filled the fuel up just in case. It was 50% when it happened, so maybe it was just sloshed sideways, I don't know, but I'm gonna fill the fuel up and go back out again. These only have probably one more lap in them, but they are so soft and so grippy and they smoke so much, so I really wish I could just drift these all the time. In because as you've seen in that last video I went straight off. I had no tires left, but yeah, I changed them now. They were bald anyway. I was just trying to get the most out of them because it was like $300 tires, so I think I did try and stretch them a little too far, and I went in and there was just nothing and I was like, help me. But anyway, I went and voluntarily turned myself in. They said, oh, don't worry about it, like you didn't get called in. I was like, oh my god, thanks, and ran away. So yeah, I'm going to change into some fresh ones and go back now. Any y'all concerned, they are lenient about going off track when it comes to accidents and didn't mean it, and I'm sorry. So just be nice and try not to do it again. She's been here for ages. So we're gonna take Kat out for some happy laps. So the awesome thing about Queensland Raceway is that they have so much awesome stuff on shelf. I just grabbed one of the Penrite Racing 1040s. So I stopped and grabbed some oil because as well the car keeps going into engine protection mode, and I'm not sure if it's because my oil is too low. It's 9:20, so I'm gonna go hose the car and then hopefully get out at like another 3 laps and then maybe hose it again and get another 3 laps, but we'll see. It's not going in the gear very well, and I'm not sure if the box is getting too hot or the oil needs to be changed because it is getting hard to get in the gear. And then at the end of the lap there's like a weird tick coming from down that way where the gearbox is. So I think for tonight it's like 9:40, there's 20 minutes left. I'll stop for tonight because I am going drifting again on Tuesday, which is like 3 days away. So I think I'll stop for tonight, take it home and change all the oils, the engine oil, the gearbox oil, and then go from there because on Tuesday they're doing the reverse layout. So let's head back over to pit and pack up. I got a weird vibration that's kind of came out of nowhere. It feels like I'm on ripple strips around the whole track, if that makes sense. I wasn't sure if it's because I changed tires and it's like melting off, or my diff has been a bit clunky in the past, so I've got one of my pit wraps to jack it up, and let's just turn the tires and see if the clunk is any worse. Come under here and listen to the sound if y'all can hear it. Ready? Yeah, I don't know, but it's like it's got so much movement. It's not meant to be that bad. Like it's not happy. Basically the diff gears are meant to sit like this and engage, engage, but decision to get track credit and refund my Tuesday morning ticket. I'm super sad about it, but at the end of the day, I think I would be more sad spending $1,000 to fix my diff and axle conversion if that did break as well. So yeah. But I've got 2 events next month. I'm so sorry if the camera is blurry. It's all greasy because my gearbox was shooting oil all over the place. That is the end of Friday Night Drift. It felt so awesome. It actually felt like a mini matsuri, if you will. It was really awesome. But Sally went really well. We'll be out next month for 2 events. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I had an awesome night as always, and I'll see you on the next video.